This demonstration video is for our Petite impression signet ring. When you place an order, you'll receive an impression wax kit. Inside, you'll find 3 wax pieces, numbered preference stickers, baking paper, a card explaining our price guarantee, a ring sizer, return post bag, and a return card. Before you begin, make sure everyone is ready as the wax heats and cools quickly. Wave your lighter evenly across the surface of the wax, and once it warms and develops a wet, glazed finish, press gently but promptly. If you're unhappy with an impression, wait at least 1 minute before reheating and trying again. Your wax will be carefully refined back to the original ring shape, so don't be concerned if your print spills over the edge. The same process applies when taking impressions with knuckles or pets, although we do recommend having at least 2 people present with pets. Use the ring sizer, adjusting it until it fits comfortably over your knuckle. Your size is the letter the arrow points to. As this is a chunkier ring, if you're between sizes, choose the larger size. For further personalizations on your ring, refer to the return card included in your wax kit. Place the waxes back into their containers and use the stickers to mark them in order of preference. Pack up and return everything using the included packaging. Your wax impression is then used to create your finished piece in your choice of solid precious metal. We'll also store your reserve waxes, giving you the option to create an additional piece in the future without having to retake your prints.